McDougall's, Hamburger, Bar Graphs and Picture Graphs, Day 3. Write 3 facts about the data shown below. You can use paper or a Google Doc. Pause this video so you have more time to look at the table. Share your responses with a family member if you can. You might have noticed that each apple represents 20 apples. That would mean apples picked at the haystack orchard in week 1 would be 20, 40, 60, and then since this is half an apple, 70 apples on week 1. Week 2 would have picked 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 apples. Can you find out how many apples were picked in all? Pause this video to give yourself time to think.
After the World Health Organization's publication on the impact of McDougall's restaurants on obesity rates around the world, other international organizations have started to look into the influence of the McDougall's chain on other global issues. The International Monetary Fund monitors the way money is used across the world. The organization keeps track of the system of exchange rates that allows countries to buy and sell to one another. Since different countries use different currency systems, a McDougall burger, for example, has a different price depending on the country you're in. €1 in France, for example, is equal to about $1.12 in the United States. The same amount of money is equal to a little more than 15 South African rand. The International Monetary Fund has gathered some information about the cost of a McDougall burger in various countries. It has converted the cost of one burger in these countries to US dollars. The organization wants to look at how much more or less expensive a McDougall burger is in different countries across the world compared to in the United States. Similarly, the International Monetary Fund is interested in the average working time required by someone to buy a McDougall burger in these countries. The organization averaged the salary of workers across 20 different jobs in each country to determine how many minutes someone would need to work. They want to know how hard people have to work to obtain a fast food meal. Help the International Monetary Fund create a scaled bar graph and a scaled picture graph of this information for their next publication. Write a short description for each graph. One description should explain how much more or less a McDougall burger costs in 3 other countries compared to in the United States. The other description should explain how many more minutes someone needs to work in 3 other countries compared to in the United States in order to buy a McDougall burger to eat.